Hello guys, how are you? Today we have a new topic about the truck injury attorney near me. So guys, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button for more new and update notifications, and please like my video and also comments on my videos. And guys, thanks for watching my videos and give me a great feedback. Please also subscribe my channel. So guys, today's our topic is very important, and we will discuss about the truck injury and truck accident lawyer and attorney. So guys, so guys, please. So guys, let's get start, and now we will discuss about our new topic: injury attorney near me, truck accident lawyer. So, life after a truck accident can be overwhelming. Many people struggle with pain caused by an injury. Often they are unable to work, they fight to make ends meet while watching the bills pile up and moving forward and seem impossible. At the Dallas, Texas law offices of Ted B. Leon and Associates, they help people move forward after truck accidents have changed their lives. Their team of experienced trial lawyers has a record of success in Texas truck accident cases involving catastrophic injury or wrongful death. They handle cases involving many types of trucks, including 18-wheeler, construction equipment, delivery trucks, and other commercial vehicles. In truck wreck cases, their through approach is key. Other lawyers, judges, and former clients recognize us for the quality of our work and our unwavering client advocacy. Our true approach is the key to success in the truck accident law side. For example, in-depth investigation is often necessary to determine the true cause of the accident. Was the driver negligent? Was the trucking company to blame? Was there a mechanical failure? We collaborate with investigators and accident constructions with necessary to investigate the accident scene and build strong and effective cases against negligent truckers, trucking companies, and manufacturers. Their focus is on obtaining all relevant information, tracking down witnesses, and interviewing everyone involved. Truck accident attorney. So, guys, in this topic, we will discuss about what is the truck accident attorney. Trial attorneys at their law firm then use this information to advocate for the victims of serious injuries caused by truck accidents, as well as the surviving families of people who were killed in fatal truck accidents. Their advocacy often leads to settlement for full and fair compensation. However, they do not hesitate to proceed to trial when it is necessary to protect their clients' interests. Free consultation, contingency fee. Do not worry about the cost of representation. They offer free and confidential consultations, and there is no obligation to hire them. If you choose to retain their law firm, they will handle your truck accident lawsuit on contingency. That means that you do not need money to pay your attorney an hourly fee. Instead, their compensation comes from a percentage of the compensation recovered. If you are unsure that what to do after a truck accident has changed your life, contact them for free and confidential consultation. Call them 877 deadline 877 833 5966 or complete their online contact form. Truck accident lawyer. Life. So, guys, here is the information. So, thanks for watching my video and stay safe and be happy. Thanks. Goodbye.